Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to find TikTok videos that you have already seen. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need to go to TikTok. After that, you need to click Discover and click Search. Here we need to find one video and click on these three buttons. After that, click Filters and click Watched. Apply, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.